Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you know that we are discussing the syllabus of RT 3.1, paper 1 of RT 3. Yesterday we discussed all the chapters, lesson 1, the last lesson, and poem 1, My Mother at 66. We also went through formal invitation. Today in this video, now we are going to discuss formal invitation in detail. Okay dear students, so let us begin. So as we all know that formal invitation there are two types of formal invitation. Okay, formal invitation are written in card form. They are written in card form and letter form too. Okay, card form and letter form. So when we should write in card form and when we should write a formal invitation in letter form, so we are going to discuss in this video. If we are writing for many, if it is written for many, then it will be written in card form and it is then centrally aligned. In this case, it is centrally aligned. When a formal invitation is written for many, then it is written in card form, okay, and it is centrally aligned, okay. But if it is written for specific person, okay, in letter form for specific person, okay dear students, so it is for specific person. It is written for specific person. Let me write it little bit here. Specific person. Okay. It is written at left aligned and formal letter format is used. Formal letter format is used. Okay dear students, so formal invitations are of two types. First, they are written in card form when they are written for many. Okay, in that case they are centrally aligned. They are written in letter form when they are written for any specific person. Okay, in that condition they are written at left aligned and they follow the format of formal letter. Okay dear students, so I hope it is clear now. Now, what are the major points which we must keep remember while writing an invitation, a formal invitation? What are the points which we must remember? Points to remember. What are the points which we must remember? They are written in single sentence written in single sentence. They are written in single sentence. We are talking about the invitation which is written on card, in card format. Name of the invitee is not important. Here, name of the invitee is not important. Okay, in card form. Next point which we must keep remember, written in present tense. They are written in present tense. Talking about card form. Written in third person pronoun. They are written in third person pronoun. Okay. Very brief and precise. They should be very brief and precise. Okay. Only important details are to be mentioned. Only important details are to be mentioned. Fonts in different lines may vary. Fonts in different lines may vary. Okay, while writing in card format. No punctuation at the end or break of line. Okay, no punctuation. Next point. No punctuation at the end or break of line. Okay, dear students. So points to remember: written in single sentence. Name of the invitee is not important. Written in present tense. Written in third person pronoun. Very brief and precise. Only important details are to be given. Fonts in different lines may vary. So we are discussing. And last point which I haven't written here: no punctuation at the end or break of line. Okay. So I hope now it is clear how to write a card form invitation. Okay. What more we should focus? What more to be focused on? As I have told you, no punctuation. No punctuation at the end or break of line. Okay. in card format we are discussing. Next, they are written in third person. They are written in third person. Salutation not required. Salutation not required. Formal language, formal language, style and format is used. Style and format is used. Program clearly stated. Program should be clearly stated. Chief guest if any to be mentioned. If any to be mentioned. Okay, dear students, no punctuation at the end or break off line, written in third person, salutation not required, formal language, style and format is used, program clearly stated, chief guest if any to be mentioned. Okay, so these are the major points which we must keep remember while writing an formal invitation. Okay, so now let me rub it and write down format for the same. So first of all, you should write invitation line. First of all, invitation line should be written like Mr. and Mrs. Sharma. Mr. and Mrs. Sharma. Then request line, request the pleasure of your company. Request the pleasure of your company. Request the pleasure of your company. Okay, then event line 1, event line 1, at dinner. Then event line 2, in honor of, then event line free. The fourth wedding anniversary. The fourth wedding anniversary. The fourth wedding anniversary. Okay. Then event line 4. Mr. and Mrs. Verma. Mr. and Mrs. Verma. Mr. and Mrs. Verma. Then date line. After that, let me rub it, then write down. First of all, invitation line, Mr. and Mrs. Sharma. Then request line, request the pleasure of your company at. Then event line 1 at dinner. Event line 2 in the honor of. Event line 3 the fourth wedding anniversary. Event line 4 Mr. and Mrs. Verma. Now let me rub it. And write down the remaining part of format. Then date line. Date line on Saturday 9th of January. For example, on Saturday 9th of January. On Saturday 9th of January. Then timeline. At 7 o'clock. Then address line. Address line at Ashoka Hotel. At the Ashoka Hotel. Sorry. Then city and state line. Indirapuram, Ghaziabad. Then chief guest line. Chief guest line. Mr. The name of the chief guest, designation, after name, designation of the person, then has kindly consented, has kindly consented to provide to preside over or inaugurate the function. Inaugurate the function. Okay. Then RSVP, this side, under which let me write a little bit here. RSVP, under which contact number will be given. You can also give the address, but it is not mandatory. The name of the person and contact number. Okay. So this is the format, dear students, for writing an invitation in card format. Okay, so let us once again recall what we have discussed. Let me show you on your screen through a PowerPoint presentation what we have discussed, and we will also discuss the another type of invitation which is written in format letter form. Okay. So as of now we have discussed formal invitations. These things must be noted down. You can also take the screenshot. I will also share this PPT on Snap Homework. So formal invitations are of two types, card form and letter form. It is written in card form when it is written for many, letter form for a specific person. When it is written from card form, then it is centrally aligned. When it is written from letter form, then it is left aligned, and it follows the format of formal letter. Points to remember, we have just discussed. Written in single sentence, name of invitee is not important. Written in present tense, written in third person pronoun, should be very brief and precise. Only important details should be there. Fonts of different lines may vary. In card format we are discussing no punctuation at the end or break off line. Now it should be written in third person. Salutation not required. There should be formal language. Formal style and format should be used. Program clearly stated. Chief guest, if any, to be mentioned. Occasion, you must mention occasion, date and time, venue, program, if specific, senders, contact detail of sender, phone, cell number, address. So these things you must remember which to be given in such kind of invitation. Now, what is the format for writing a card form invitation? So first of all, you will be writing invitation line, that is Mr. and Mrs. Sharma. Then request line, request the pleasure of your company. Then event line 1, at dinner. Event line 2, in honor of. Event line 3rd, the 4th, wedding anniversary of Mr. and Mrs. Verma. Event line 4, Mr. and Mrs. Verma. Then date line on Saturday, whatever the date. Then timeline at 7 o'clock. Then address line at the Ashoka Hotel. Then city and state line, Indrapuram, Ghaziabad. Okay. Then chief guest, if any. Then you should mention Mr. the name of the person, designation of the person has kindly consented to preside over or inaugurate the function. Then RSVP, contact detail. Okay. Now let us go through the sample example of card form. How to place lines in place. Mr. and Mrs. Sharma request the pleasure of your company at dinner in honor of the 4th wedding anniversary of Mr. and Mrs. Verma on Saturday, the 6th of June 2015 at 7 o'clock at the Ashoka Hotel, Indrapuram, Ghaziabad. RSVP Sharma and family. This is the contact number. So it should be written in this way. Let me show you one more example. Standard expression of request. Dear student, you may choose any of the following for your request line. In the invitation, seek the pleasure of your company, cordially invite, solicit your gracious presence, request the pleasure of your beaming presence. Now, example, the principal, staff and students, Little Angels International School, Nagpur, cordially invite you to the annual day celebration on Friday, the 20th of March 2015 at 10 am. In the school auditorium, Mr. S.N. Tiwari, Honorable District Collector, has kindly consented to preside over the function. RSVP principal, phone number, okay, program overleaf. Okay, sample example 2. Anshu and Sons announce the opening of Vigro confectionery store at 32E Ambience Mall. Inauguration on Thursday, the 24th March at 10 am by Srinivas ITO. All are cordially invited. Visit for your kind and confectionery items at most reasonable rates. Inaugural discount of 10% on all goods. RSVP Vigro Confectionery Store. This is the phone number. Now, letter form, formal invitation, which is written in letter form, in which you should follow the format of formal letter. You should write sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, salutation, body of the invitation, a short message, thank you, yours name and designation. Okay, so you must take the screenshot of it. Sample letter form invitation. Now the question, the literary club of your school is putting up the play Shakuntala. As secretary of the club, draft an invitation inviting the famous writer Sudesh Gupta to be the guest of honor at the function. Write the invitation in not more than 50 words. So first of all, you should write your address, ABC School, Shastri Nagar, Mumbai, then date, then Mr. Sudesh Gupta, XYZ Lane, PQR Colony, Mumbai, subject invitation as guest of honor. Sir, the literary club of our school is putting up the play Shakuntala on 17th April 2020, whatever it is, in the school auditorium from 9 to 10 am. On behalf of our club, I would like to extend a cordial invitation to you to be the guest of honor at the function. It would be our privilege if you consent to grace the occasion with your presence. Yours, Gauri, Literary Secretary, Literary Club. Okay. So this is written when you are inviting, you are going to use the formal letter format for inviting any individual. Okay, this is all about formal invitation. One more question for practice. Draft a formal invitation on the occasion of the first birthday of a child. You are the principal of St. Mary's School, Kota. Draft a formal invitation for the important dignitaries of the city on the Silver Jubilee celebrations of the school. With this, we end up our presentation. Please write and upload your answer from Fair Register at not Google Classroom to my mail, and these days you are coming to school, so you can show me too. So thank you students for watching this video. See you tomorrow with a new topic of paper 2 of revision test 3. So keep practicing. You have got some extra days for your preparation. So if you will start from 0, even though you can score better. Now, okay, see you tomorrow.